Hey there everyone, in today's video I have MODELONES items that I purchased on Amazon. I was running out of base and top coat and they sell this package with the two in one box. I really like this base and top coat. The base is not too thick and it's not too runny either, so it's just perfect. And the top coat is very glossy and it really lasts a long time. Even though today I'm gonna end up using a matte top coat, but as well it's from MODELONES. And this is a kit with jelly colors. This is a very cute packaging, and as you can see here it says ready fine. And let's see what is inside this box. As you can see, I have some cards and some information here. Okay, I usually see the instructions only, but this is new to me. So here it looks like MODELONES is giving me some tips on how to be healthier. It talks about having more water and exercise, and as well as promoting some of their products. As well, I see some quotes to empower or motivate women. And these are the instructions on how to apply the gel polish. The base and the top coat that I showed you previously, guys, is not included in this set. This is just separately. These are just very cute colors that my daughter wanted and I just got it for her. So I'm gonna be opening these bottles over here to show you how the colors look. And these are 7 ml bottles. As you can see here, the colors are displayed on top of the bottles and they go by numbers. So let me take everything out of this package and I'm gonna show you how these colors exactly look. They're supposed to be jelly, more like a transparent color according to the description. But let's see how they really look. I see this is a very pretty color, but to be honest, guys, I expected this to be a little bit more transparent. Maybe when it's applied, it will look better. But right now, it looks opaque, and I was expecting a more jelly. This one, it looks a little bit more like the jelly that I was expecting. So hopefully all the other colors are the same. And these are all the colors together. And today I'm going to be recreating these nails I saw on the Born Pretty website. So wish me luck, guys. I'm doing press-on nails and I'm using Beetles full cover nail tips. I started with base coat and apply already one coat of the jelly color. And now I'm doing the second one. And I've been curing each layer 30 seconds. For this design, I'm gonna be needing multiple colors, so I'm gonna put everything I need here on the palette. And this is the final result for today, guys. I think these nails are really cute, and I was very close to the original nails that I was recreating, or at least I would like to think that. These shells are really good actually. I really like working with them. I didn't have any issues during the curing process or anything like that. Thank you for watching, everyone. I'll see you in the next video.